Hello and welcome to Let's Film Barbecue. So we're having chicken drumsticks for dinner and I bought this little toy. It's a holder for either jalapenos or chicken legs. So let me unpack this and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is a really simple thing. It's a holder, it's got legs, and then you put it this way and you put the chicken legs or jalapenos down here and you put it on the grill or in the oven or whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that on my Weber kettle, but first I need to season the chicken. So I've got chicken drumsticks, a bunch of them. I'm gonna season half of them with the rub and the other half with Tango Verde from Tango Spice Company with a little bit of additional cayenne. Anyway, I'm just gonna do that quickly and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours before it's time to cook. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using my 18-inch that's gonna fit right over there. But first I need to light the coals, and I've always wanted to do this. There we go, good enough for me. Just gonna put a lid on here and let this come up to temp, and then I'm gonna be using a small pouch with some mesquite pellets, hickory pellets, and some oak wood shavings. I think that's gonna be good enough. Anyway, I'll bring it back in a bit. Okay, so the chicken has been in the fridge for about 2 hours with the seasoning on them, and then I brought them out about 20 minutes ago in the kitchen. So time to kind of just stack these, I guess. So I'm gonna put, well, I'll of course put one kind over one side and then the other kind over the other side. Kind of falling over. I guess I need to press them down a little bit. Okay, so I know I'm gonna have a little bit of space. So right now it's time to start separating this a little bit, something like so. Yeah, that'll be fine. And then the derub ones over here. Wonder if this rack is somehow gonna help cook this in a different manner. Oh well, we'll know soon, won't we? Okay, so this grill has reached chicken temperature. Chicken temperature is when it goes dark red. I've tried this a couple of times. I was really happy getting this, and it's really warm. So on with smoke, on with grate, and then of course the chicken, just like so. On top of that semi burnt down aluminum sheet. Oh well, it's just gonna catch the drippings anyway. Okay, lid back on. Oh yeah, forgot my probe. This has got a little bit of a hole over here. Wonder if that could be used just for reference. Well, lid on. Kind of reaches almost, yeah, it reaches the lid almost. Maybe I need to readjust. Put the smaller ones to the side. Preferably no big ones at all on that end. It's like towers of Hanoi. Yeah, I'm just gonna stack them like this toward the middle. That one goes there. No, they go there. That's gonna be good. So that side is the rope. Lid back on. There we go. We're gonna see. I got fully open vents, both top and bottom. And this is 25 minutes in. They got a little bit of color on that side, which is actually not that surprising, but they've got color everywhere. This actually look quite good. This is running at 310, so 325 perhaps. So the ones on that side is going to be the rub ones. Okay, so I just empty this again, and they're actually done. They've reached somewhere between 175 and 180, and it's time to serve them. Okay, since the guests have arrived, just gonna give this a try. The hot one. Lots of flavor. It's hot. It's really hot. It's really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching.